Where are they now? The girl who went viral for sneezing over 12,000 times a day. This is Caitlin Thornley, and back in 2015, she became the center of a bizarre medical mystery when she suddenly started sneezing uncontrollably, up to 12,000 times a day. At just 12 years old, her sneezing fits would last for hours, sometimes even through the night. Her parents were desperate. They visited doctor after doctor, but no one had a clear answer. Her condition was so rare, some doctors even questioned whether it was real or psychological. As the sneezing worsened, Caitlin was pulled out of school, not only because of the physical exhaustion, but because of constant bullying and the sheer impossibility of getting through a school day. Her story exploded online after a local news interview was uploaded to YouTube. Viewers around the world were both fascinated and heartbroken, with millions watching and sharing her story. Eventually, doctors diagnosed her with a rare form of strep-related movement disorder, a condition where a strep infection causes the body to attack parts of the brain, leading to involuntary movements, like sneezing. Treatment helped reduce her symptoms, but the condition never fully went away. As of today, Caitlin has stayed out of the spotlight. Now in her 20s, she's living a quieter life away from social media, still managing her condition the best she can.